They later keeled and cut her frames in 1953 on the outer banks of North Carolina, neath the shade of a big oak tree. Anchored through the winter, finished her up in the spring, slid her overboard that summer. She was headed for the Blue Gulf Stream. She was a Carolina boat through and through, juniper planking and plenty of glue, long outriggers and a flying bridge too. Anything less just would not do. She was a Carolina boat with a touch of class. Big Detroit diesel made her really fast. A sleek, shiny hull with a lot of flair, world-class tackle and a big fighting chair. That Carolina boat made a name for herself wherever she did go, from the Jersey shore to the Florida coast and down to Mexico. Carolina boat was her name, fishing was her game. The mother of all sport fishing boats, and Carolina boat was her name. She was a Carolina boat through and through, juniper blanket and plenty of blue, long outriggers and a flying bridge too. Anything less just would not do. She was a Carolina boat with a touch of class. Big Detroit diesel made her really fast. A sleek, shiny hull with a lot of flair, world-class tackle and a big fighting chair. That Carolina boat made a name for herself wherever she did go, from the Jersey shore to the Florida coast and down to Mexico. Carolina boat was her name, fishing was her game. The mother of all sport fishing